Hello, I'm Mayor Phil Good with your weekly update. Outdoor temperatures are climbing quickly. Although temperatures in Prescott don't reach the level of Phoenix, we can still get plenty of hot weather up here. Did you know that the number one weather-related killer in Arizona is heat? The elderly are particularly susceptible to the warm weather. These guidelines will help keep everyone, including your pets, safe. Stay cool, remain indoors if possible. Remember the Prescott Public Library has air conditioning if you need to cool off. Stay hydrated, drink plenty of water, do not leave or lock children or pets in your vehicle. Limit strenuous outdoor activities during the warmest part of the day, and know the signs of heat exhaustion and heat stroke. Get immediate medical help if you or someone you are with appears to be struggling. Stage 1 fire restrictions were put into place last week. The Prescott Fire Department and the Central Arizona Fire and Medical Authority are joining with the Prescott National Forest and Yavapai County to make these safety restrictions widespread. These restrictions are in effect until we've received enough rain to justify lifting the restrictions. As part of the Stage 1 fire restrictions, please understand that no residential burn permits will be issued. Use of model rockets is prohibited. Use of fireworks and other pyrotechnic displays are prohibited except upon approval of a pyrotechnics permit. No smoking outside of vehicles, outside of residential yards, or outside of designated smoking areas. No outdoor use of firearms. Cooking, warming, or campfires, ash or ember producing are allowed at single and multi-family residential properties and town parks where approved, but must be attended at all times. These restrictions can keep our community safe, and we ask for your cooperation and adherence. Right now, we are in the period of time that is the most advantageous for major road projects, as they require extended good weather. If you drive much in Prescott, you know that we have many capital improvement projects underway right now. In addition to road projects on Willow Creek and Prescott Lakes Parkway, we are also reconstructing the library's parking lot to make sure it is ADA compliant. A new pavement repair project is starting this week on Iron Springs Road. The work will be done at night from 8 p.m. to 6 a.m. to minimize disruption to local businesses and the traveling public. Deteriorating pavement will be removed and replaced in the intersection of Iron Springs Road and Gale Gardner Way. Following the installation of new asphalt pavement, crews will adjust utility covers to the final road grade and apply new pavement striping. During the overnight construction hours only, traffic will be restricted on Iron Springs Road, and Gale Gardner Way will be closed through the intersection of Iron Springs Road. Motorists should follow the marked signage, expect delays, and consider alternate routes. Temporary pavement markings will be installed at the end of each night, with permanent striping placed at the end of June. Even though the work is being done at night, there may still be traffic cones and markers on the road during the daytime. Please drive very carefully through this work zone and follow all signage. Businesses will receive notifications which include information regarding access, work hours, and traffic impacts. Once complete, these improvements will extend pavement life and improve the road quality for Prescott motorists. This project is expected to be completed by the end of the month. It's official, the construction project has been awarded to Fan Contracting to widen SR 69 between Prescott Lakes Parkway and Heather Heights in Prescott near the Frontier Village. The construction is slated to begin this summer at the end of this month. The project will widen a 1-mile segment of SR 69 in Prescott. The $9.7 million widening and improvement project, which is being done in partnership with the Central Yavapai Metropolitan Planning Organization, will construct one additional travel lane in each direction on SR 69 between Prescott Lakes Parkway and the Yavapai Connector, which will widen the highway from 4 to 6 lanes and include a raised median. A raised median will also be constructed along the segment of SR 69 between Yavapai Connector and Heather Heights. In addition to increasing the capacity of the roadway and improving traffic safety, the project includes constructing new curb and gutter, installing new pipe culverts and storm drains, including replacing a traffic signal and other related work. Construction is scheduled to begin at the end of June 2024 and will take approximately 9 months to complete. Please be patient as these improvements are underway. Be alert, watch the signs, and follow the speed limits. During the Prescott City Council executive session tomorrow, we will hold annual employment reviews for our city attorney and city clerk. We will also be discussing potential dispute resolutions with Deepwell Ranch. At the 1 p.m. study session, we will have a presentation and discussion regarding the Airport Vicinity Overlay District, and we will consider the possible timing for future adoption. During the council voting meeting at 3 p.m., I'm pleased to announce that we will be holding the official swearing in of our new city manager, Dallin Kimball. We'll also vote on the tentative budget for fiscal year 2025, consider citywide fee increases, and consider the approval and adoption of the Prescott City Council's strategic plan. The contract for improvements at the new City Hall will also be voted on, and we will decide whether to approve or deny the water budget rollover proposal. Other meetings this week include a Tourism Advisory Committee meeting on Wednesday at 11 a.m. here in the Council chambers. The Prescott Preservation Commission will meet Friday, June 14th at 9 a.m. in Council chambers. Agendas for all city meetings can be found at the link below. I'm Mayor Phil Good. I'll be on vacation next week, so I'll be updating you the following week. Thanks for watching.